Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about can I increase the track width without changing wheel. Let's get it. The 2022 Toyota Tundra wheel adapters create more clearance and backspacing for your wheels. They allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, axles, or other suspension components. Of course, improves traction and handling even more. Giving the backspacing correct allows enough room for the suspension, brake, and steering system to operate without interference from the wheels. If you have added offset aftermarket wheels, make sure you have 2022 Tundra wheel adapters of the proper thickness to correct the wrong offset. This improves the look of your new Tundra by moving the wheels out to be flush with the fender rails. Besides, it will provide a significant driving experience increase in your 4x4 event. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spaces can be complete 1 to 3 days at the fastest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM ODM too. If you need BONOSS wheel spaces with special thickness, or ball pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, the BONOSS custom spacers is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness 3mm to 116mm. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reaches a accuracy of 0.02mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. BONOSS wheel spacers have more functions, high performance, and friendly price. That is the reason why BONOSS became the choice of many customers. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.